Hello everyone, this is AT from ForexPreparation.com. Today is Wednesday, the 25th of October. Okay, so we have some fundamental news coming out of the US today, and those are the durable goods and the new home sales, and also the HICP number and the CPI numbers coming out of Germany. The calendar is pretty full of other events also, but these most probably are gonna be the ones that will count. Okay, so as I've earlier said, I don't like trading when the market is too overcrowded, but today I see some price action in the British pound US dollar pair probably, and this is gonna be mainly because of this pattern which forms here. And as a general rule, such patterns are known to be continuation patterns, or when we have an established previous trend, which in our case was an uptrend, then we see such a pattern like a flag or a pennant. Then if we have a break above any of the resistance areas which has been formed from this pattern, or what I mean is this peak here, or if our price closes above this certain level of 2.0510, then we're expected to see a continuation of our uptrend. Or if we go on a daily chart, so we're going to see a climb up above up to these levels here of 2.0600. Okay, so let's see what happens on the 8 hours chart. Okay, so pretty much we can construct a trend line here and try to make it a channel. So okay, so as we see, we have already touched the lower boundary of our channel, and this is this might be a sign that our currency pair is going to continue its move upwards. Another thing is that we have our relative strength indicator still above the 50 level, which is a good support and resistance zone. This is another confirmation that our price may take higher. Okay, if we go to the euro-dollar currency pair, let's try to spot some indications there. Okay, so here we didn't see much price action yesterday, and as I expected to see for example, if we saw a break below this level here, I was suggesting that if the pair closes below this level, then we might see a further declines of this currency pair. But now let's concentrate. For example, if the currency pair breaks above this resistance level here, then we might see a bullish continuation, and our initial price target for this bullish continuation pattern, this pair would be first. Our first resistance zone is this high here, sets on 1.4340, and if we go to 8 hours charts, we wouldn't be able to see much more barriers, because as you know, we're at a almost highest high of this pair, so we won't be very sure to we can't predict to which levels this pair would climb. We would be just guessing. But as I said, we had a divergence here which still holds, and on the other side our relative strength indicator is above the 50 level, which is resistance and support zone. So this signal is pretty mixed right now, but I've noticed that with currency pairs, for example, if we have an uptrend and then we have such a small formation like this previous candle here, which resembles a long-legged doji, then our next candle is going to be a bullish candle. Or what I mean here is that our bulls this pair is going to climb higher and probably reach those levels of 143.50 and even higher. Okay, so let's go to the US dollar Swiss franc and try to see if there is something else happening there. Okay, we are still in this pattern, which starts to resemble a ascending triangle, and this was actually our initial support zone, which has already been broken, but it doesn't mean that our trend is our currency pair is going to decline, because if we connect if we draw a parallel line to our upper trend line, then we will see that this might eventually turn out into a longer flag pattern. So pretty much we should be expecting to see if we have a break above this boundary here, and trying to spot what is happening with the euro dollar, for example, because these pairs are negatively correlated, and if the one goes up, the other is expected to go down. So pretty much the market will be very overcrowded today, I guess, because there are a lot of important numbers from fundamental points of view coming out, and probably I prefer to stay passive when the market is so much overcrowded. Thank you very much.